Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by choosing a live photo that will actually animate on your lock screen. Open Photos, locate the clip, and confirm the live badge so you know it's a live photo and not a still. Once done, tap Edit to trim unwanted frames or adjust key photo so motion looks right. Make sure your device supports live wallpapers and is updated. Otherwise, the effect may be limited or unavailable, so double-check compatibility before moving on. Now apply the live photo as your wallpaper. Tap Share and select Use as Wallpaper, then position and pinch to zoom so the subject frames correctly. Make sure the live toggle is enabled so motion is preserved, and disable perspective zoom if parallax distorts the framing. Press the preview to test the animation. If it plays on preview, it will animate on the lock screen. Finally, tap Set and choose lock screen or both depending on where you want the effect. Finish by locking your phone and pressing the lock screen to see the live photo come alive. That confirms success. If nothing happens, make sure 3D touch or haptic touch is enabled in settings and that the live option was on when you set the wallpaper. Also verify low power mode isn't limiting animations. If problems continue, restart the phone, resave the live photo from Photos, and repeat the steps. This often clears glitches and restores the expected behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.